up to this bay. So we're just gonna kind of work our way in here with the trolling motor. Try not to make too much noise. We're gonna look for some tarpon, either rolling or on the side imaging. So we're just gonna kind of work our way in here with the trolling motor. Try not to make too much noise.
You know, in the past, it was, we'd pull into a bay looking for rolling fish. And when they quit rolling, you kind of moved on. You were looking for rolling fish and presenting your bait to those fish.
And sometimes if you have wind and you have waves, you can't really see them.
It's hard to see. Yeah, with the side imaging though, it's like when they stop rolling, we're still fishing for them because we can still find those fish. I've learned so much with side imaging, honestly, like things, fish behavior I thought I completely understood. And then I see it with here, and sometimes it confirms it, and sometimes they're doing something a little different than we thought over the years. It just is your eyes under the water. It's
right there.
Wonderful. Yeah, there's one.
There he is. Good job, Ed. Good job, Ed. Give us a jump, baby. Give us a jump. Woo-hoo. Nice.
Nice.
There you go, Ed.
Yeah. This is truly one of my favorite species. Like, I'll chase these guys everywhere. This is it.
So these fish are in here just eating mullet, any little bait fish that'll come out of these creeks. So we're just throwing a 4-inch swim bait, rig them with a 1/8 or 1/4 ounce jig head.
Here he comes.
On the bigger fish, I like to use bigger swim baits, put out more vibration in the water. Stuff like this voodoo also has that articulated tail with a lot of vibration in the water as well. As far as rod and reel combos, on the bigger fish, I'll throw anything between an 8,000 size reel to a 12,000 size reel. Typically 30 to 50 pound braid, 50 to 80 pound leader. On the smaller fish, a 4,000 size reel, anything between 15 to 20 pound braid, 30 pound leader. It's not always you get that good hook set like that, so.
Their mouth is like sandpaper. It's like 80 grit sandpaper.
Yeah, 100%. So
if I didn't have some gloves, I'd have no skin. Thank you. That was awesome.
Good job, Ed.
Your turn.
Got these fish up here on this creek. Engage the trolling motor into drift mode. Let's pick our heading. Right there. We're on already. Adjust the speed. We're gonna put it around 2.5. And our compass heading is between 27 and 30 degrees. Prop speed 2.5. And it'll self-adjust at compass heading between the current and the wind and keep us going forward there. So now that we're on drift mode, all I have to do is pretty much focus on casting and fishing. I don't have to worry about the boat going left, right. I'm heading in the direction I want and I can fish without a problem.
I get in a zone where they're rolling pretty heavy, I'll just spot lock in them. If it's shallow enough, I'll put the raptors down and then we're complete stealth mode. It's nice having all those tools in your toolkit. Like this is a perfect example. I didn't see any fish rolling, but we're marking so many going by on side imaging that I'm just gonna make some shots. Generally, first thing in the morning, you have a lot of activity. They're starting to slow down a little bit. And we'll keep scanning with the side imaging, but we also have an effect here where the tide's starting to die. So we may be having to make a little move, but we'll do some side imaging scanning before we take off. And that's critical. Like this is where sometimes I think I know what they're doing and I learn something.